Hey everybody, it's Dr. Nicole Friels. I am here hanging out with my good friend Chad, and you are not going to believe what he just showed me. The video that you're about to see is him drilling an actual drill bit into his big toenail. He dropped something on it, and so he had some blood trapped under it, so it was so painful and the pressure. So he basically took a drill and he went in. No anesthetic, no numbing, probably some numbing from the bourbon, but other than that, just straight on. So this was apparently last summer. I have no idea why I didn't know about it until now, but I hope you enjoy the video. If you do this at home, oh my God, be careful. You are at risk for infection. And he actually has a fungal toenail now. So it's thick and we're gonna fix it up and everything, but that's what happened. Once he drilled it, it was an open door for infection and fungus just jumped right in there. So I hope you enjoy the video. Don't forget, follow the channel, comment below if you've done this at home and you've had a disaster in the past. And don't forget, follow Mod Pod. That's new and coming up. All right, guys, see you next time.
Dang, you got one thick toenail. That thing doesn't end.
I'm kidding.
It's like a crater.
Keep trying. Keep trying. Keep trying, Daddy.
Okay.
Whoa!
The blood come out.
Yeah.
Oh.
Look at it. Look at it, Addison.
I see it. That's silly. I see it.
That's silly.
Whoa.
Cool.
Holy cow, that feels better.
I don't want to do that on my toe.
You don't want
have
to do that?
Addison.
I don't want to do it on my toe.
You can do it on somebody else's toe.
Maybe your toe.
Have fun with that, moms.
That would try.
Okay, I'm gonna stop.
Yeah.